it's Melanie and welcome to my vlog. Yes, it's me again. It's been a long time na hindi ako nag-vlog like before kasi nag-shift ako ng toys. So but today I am planning to vlog during my vacation. Today's April 19, 2025 and I'm gonna have a vacation to Cebu with my son, Sean. So, you will be seeing me live and uploads during my vacations. Pag may time lang, hindi na ako sanay mag-vlog kasi I usually do the unboxing ng toys. So, ngayon, uulitin natin, mag-vlog ulit tayo. And I hope you can also support me. Ayun. So, naghihintay lang kami sa Grab para ihahatid na kami sa airport. Ano pa ba? Of course, I'm gonna miss my YD family. Pasensya na kung hindi ako muna makapag-support all the way, unlike before na pag sa bahay lang kasi ako, I can support. Siguro, ano na lang muna, silip-silip and then tatamsak, ganun. So, at sa ano din, mamiss nyo ko. Ayun. So, ayun, pupunta na tayo ngayon sa airport. See you later. Oh, by the way, may nagpahabol. Oh, mamimiss daw niya ako. Kawawa naman ng baby. Yan, dito si Bella. Mamimiss ko siya. Oh, iyak ka ba? Uy, umiiyak daw siya. Gonna miss you. Ano lang tayo, mag-video call na lang tayo, ha? Okay? Ayun o. Hello. Mamimiss niya ako, guys, kasi talagang baby namin to eh. Kasama namin siya sa room for whole day. Ay. Say goodbye ka muna dun. Hi. Ay, malulungkot ito kasi alis si Mami. Say hello. Lungkot ka ba? Ha? Ay. Be good ka dito, ha? Ayun, guys, kasi mamimiss niya ang Mami. Kasi usually, pag wala ako dito, like yung pumunta ako ng Cebu or pumunta ako ng Hong Kong, kailangan ko mag-video call sa kanya kasi hindi siya kumakain, nalulungkot siya. Kaya ang baby ko maiiwan. Sige, si boy. Hi everyone! We are here at the airport and we are early for our flight. Sinadya ko lang talaga dahil nga sa traffic is so unbelievable here in the Philippines and I can recommend to check in online because it's very convenient and then mag-drop na lang kayo sa airport, mga lalabs. So, we're here and waiting for our flight. And also, maraming mga mabibighang food dito pag ikaw ay nagugutom. So, you can also have snacks at the airport. Hi everyone, this is Sean and he is having his snacks at the airplane and he's watching his favorite show. So, it's very, very comfortable. So, and happy kami dahil wala kaming katabing iba. So, we occupy the 3 seats here. And very cloudy outside. Ayan. And thank you for Sean for taking the video. Ayan. Thank you so much, Sean. How's your flight, baby? How's your flight? How's your flight? Turbulence? You feel okay? Smile. Smile, smile, smile. Mactan International Airport. By the way, I want to thank to my husband na nag-book ng flight namin. He also paid for the luggage and the seat. Hindi na lang kami kumuha ng snacks kasi medyo mahal ang snacks nila dito sa airplane, guys. Ayun. And thank you to Sean. Siya yung nagkuha ng video na to. Kasi siya yung umupo sa window side. And thank you, Sean. Sige, welcome to Cebu. Hi, Sean. We're here sa Cebu. Say hi. Hello. Yan, kukunin lang namin ang aming baggage. Waiting for the baggage. Wala pa naman eh.